Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the speaker, unlatch the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the internal speaker and disconnect the cables. Lift the speaker out of the system. To reinstall the speaker, place it back in the system and reconnect the speaker. Relatch the side cover to the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.